to the den, welcome to the light. Timberwolf treasures making everything bright, everything bright.
Welcome to Timberwolf Treasures. Today we're using Let's resin dye in white and red and 2-part epoxy resin. There will be links at the end of the video. I am doing voiceover today for my husband Dave because he is wearing a mask as he's working with 2-part epoxy resin, and that's the safest thing to do. So we pre-mixed the resin, made sure that it did a really nice stirred all the way around the bottom. And we try to do that ahead of time because you're supposed to stir between 3 and 5 minutes, and that's a long time for people to watch people stir. So we've already done that ahead of time. You can see he's splitting it, what he's going to use in this creation. With these resin dyes, you can get lots of different colors. The one we have is in a kit. I'll put a link at the bottom for you. And he's using red, and he's going to use some white to get the pink color that he's looking for. This is, I guess you could call it fan art. We're not sure if we can say the name, everyone can see what it is, but it's just to keep within YouTube rules. He got himself a mold that looks like a bar of soap with something written on the front. If you've seen the movie, you know what I'm talking about. I just don't want to break any of YouTube's rules, so we are making one. We'll show the final product at the end, and you can see him adjusting the color and giving it a really good stir. This is a very easy resin creation. We're just going to be using the pink. It's a square mold with a little design on the front. I hope you'll stick around and see at the end what exactly movie this is from. For people who have seen it or enjoy the movie, I'm sure you already know where a pink bar of soap comes from. But if you don't, come check us out at the end. We're both from Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and we appreciate anybody that's watching for us. He's just getting everything ready here. And there's the mold he's going to be using. It is 2-part epoxy, so it takes 24 hours. So we'll be pouring it, he'll be pouring it today, and then we'll do a reveal after the 24 hours is up. He actually did very well, and he created the right amount of pink for this mold, so he lucked out. Because the two of us do tend to go either a little big, a little too much, or a little too little, but he nailed that right on. That's really good. It's a pretty color pink. You can kind of see what it is, but we'll see you after the curing. Bye-bye.
Welcome back, Timberwolf Treasures. We're going to do the revealing of this pink soap block here from a certain movie. You might know it. Here we go. Ooh.
That actually turned out well.
Yeah, it did. It looks like the one from the movie, too. I'm not going to say it, but...
I'm sure everybody can read and they can see what it is.
Ooh, 3D.
There.
3D, ooh.
There. Well, that one turned out well.
Yeah. Well, thank you for watching. Timberwolf Treasures, please like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Pouring out the resin, watch the colors flow, turning simple items into a golden glow. Handcraft magic in every single design. Welcome to the home of the Timberwolf Treasures.